To use the new view of EngineeringTins.com for learning management system, as a student, this is the home page. You can see popular courses here. Computer aided design is free. Transportation engineering CC 314 free, and other courses. So all you need to do, you can view all courses by clicking here, or you go to courses. But if you are a content creator or an educator, you can use add course. As a student, you just click courses. But you need to note that before using the site or before enrolling for a course, you need to register. You register on the site. So you have to join the site before you can do that. So before you enroll, because if you click here, you can see preview this course. And if you click on any of the courses here, it will give you option to preview the course. You can see how many lectures available. This very one has only one lecture at the moment. This very one has 4 lectures. The level is, you are starting as a beginner. The course is free, so you can add it as to your wish list. So you can see for alternative transportation system, those who are in HND finals can also preview the course here. 5 lectures, although more lectures will be added. So all you need to do is to, for instance, if your course is alternative transportation system, you click to preview the course. It will take you to the course. You can see this is the course page. The teacher or lecturer, you can see myself here. I'm the admin. I'm also the lecturer or teacher. Then category, this course belong under lectures. You can see this is the description of the course. You can see it only has image. Notes can appear later. This one is not so important now. It is under curriculum that you have to click. You see under this curriculum, you can see number of students that have enrolled. Some students have already enrolled. So for you to enroll, you click here to view the number of the courses. You can see these are video courses, because this icon here is for videos. We also have normal ordinary courses that are not video. Not all of them are videos. So sometimes you can see yours as video courses, and under video courses you still have notes attached under them that you can read. So here is reviews, where you can add review if you want to review, if you want to comment on the course, if it is good or not. So here, to start as a student, you click start course. If you have not registered, it will prompt you to register. If you have registered, you just click on this start course. Once you click on start course, it will display this. You can see this is the first course here, the first course to study, CEC course curriculum. If you are not interested in this one, because for those who are actually doing the assignments, maybe you have gone past this, but if you've not gone past this, you can just go ahead and click. If you're not interested in this video, click introduction to alternative transportation system. This is the next topic. So use this button for scrolling forward. This very one, once you click complete, it means you've completed the course. In no circumstance should you click this button until we are done with the lectures for the semester, because once you click on the complete button, it means you have ended the course, and once you end it, you cannot access the course again. So don't make the mistake of clicking complete. Use this button to continue. Just like when you are writing CBT exam, you cannot click complete or end the exam, so you have to continue to click forward. So you click this button here. This one, you can see this is another video. This is the first, this is the second one, introduction to alternative transportation system. I think this very one you did it last. This one we introduced the course. Then I don't know if this one is the very one you did last week, but if it is not the one, you continue with this airport classification. You click on airport classification. So this is another video. You can see it here. We have, you can see the notes. You can read these notes under the video. Also have notes attached here, or you watch the video. You can click on the video, it will play. So if you want to go to the next, you continue to click on this button. If you have an assignment under components of an airport, you click on this button. So the most important thing is to note or know the assignment that you're supposed to do for the week. So once you know it, you can easily find it under the course curriculum. You can go back to your dashboard. If you click on this button, it will take you back to your account dashboard. Like, let me click here. You see, it will take me back to my account dashboard. Under my account dashboard, as a registered student or user, you can see enrolled courses. These are courses that I've attempted or have enrolled. You can see they are all here. I've only enrolled for 2. If you have enrolled for 5, it will show 5 courses. If you have enrolled for only 1, it will show only 1 course. So here you have settings. This is where you can do your settings. Click on this button for setting. You can change your password. You can see where you can change your password. If you have a question, you can also send a request. If you don't have, you don't bother about it. Then this is where you view your messages. Then favorite courses. If you selected or you added the course to your wish list, it will appear here. Then enrolled quizzes, because we also have provision for quizzes. So if you click here, you will see your number of enrolled quizzes. I've not enrolled for anyone. My orders, if you paid for anyone, of course the course is free, but if there is any other training course that you paid for, you can always view it under my orders.